Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Traders, 3:57 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, November 19th, 2021. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell, click the share, click the thumbs up. We're here to talk about Fetch.AI, artificial intelligence. Twitter link below the video will give you access to intraday updates. Now, we certainly bounced off this line nicely last night. We were down here right on the line, exactly what we thought we would do. If we broke this line, the next stopping point was 58 cents. Now, we weren't too far off on Bitcoin. Bitcoin was in the 50s. It was looking kind of bleak for it, but certainly starting to pull back. But Fetch US dollar right now really making a run for that 80-cent line. Pulled back a little bit. We're at 74 right now. So line of support, 67. Resistance, 80. Let's get into Fetch Bitcoin. What's going on here? Okay, so we did make a nice rally. We started coming down here, almost looking like we have a lower area of support right around the 1178 range. I'll keep that there. There's a minor support level, actually a little bit more than a minor support level, but looking like a major support level. In the meantime, we did come straight off of this and literally hit this line of resistance. We knew that this was an area of resistance for us now that we are below it and have been below now for more than a couple of days. So now where are we at? We're at 1280. Resistance area right now is around 1338. Support right now is at 1227. And if we go below that, 1180. Now let's move on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin around 58,000 right now. Certainly getting closer and closer. After we had the video, we went down to 55,625. We could still get down a little lower than that, but I'm not calling it right there, but we could be on our way back up. But this is still kind of wait and see-ish on Bitcoin, but it does appear that there was quite a rally today. Now, I also drew this area of resistance that this thing's been on. However, we broke through it a little bit, but not enough. We could just be doing a walk down this line just as easily. So I'm not quite convinced that we are out of the woods yet. I think we need to get well over this area here, 58.5, just to feel like we might be on our way up. But a proper break above 66 would make me feel a lot more comfortable that we're on our merry way. In the meantime, so 54,000 is roughly where I'm thinking this thing, you know, if it hits there, I think we get a proper bounce off that line and start trekking up. Bitcoin dominance couldn't be more clear. This thing is clearly going down. All the way down. 42.68 is where we're at right now. We were as high, not even a couple of days ago, around 44.32. So it's a very dramatic drop, which is very, very convincing to myself to say, you know what? The crypto market isn't that bad. Otherwise, this thing should be going up. But it is going down. And that's why I feel that the crypto markets, and have felt that way, and I spoke about this yesterday's video, that I don't think that this is going to have a big impact. I think the impact on cryptos right now is de minimis, meaning not that much. Yeah, we might see a 10% correction, but it's not going to be what we've seen in the past. At least that's what I'm getting out of this chart here. In the meantime, Fetch 73.65, floor support around 68, resistance at 80. We'll talk soon.